Hello friend, in today's video we are going to draw this is snacks corner. So you can say one square. It is situated in Pune. So especially in the morning time people are coming here for the breakfast. So we are going to draw that very quickly with the loose and rough lines. So initially I start with the some basic level of loose pencil sketch. So the draw this I am using 2B pencil. You can use HB or 2B, any kind of light color pencil, and I just getting the line of action or skeleton of these human figures on that particular location. So I just want to compose this entire sketch. So to getting the proportion and getting the place and element and human figure on exact location or the composition point of view, just some basic line of action or basic lines are very important. Once you place that figures and other your objects on that paper, so you will get overall overview about the how your sketch will be composed on the drawing sheet. So we just completed that just initial level of compose or sketching. So you can see 4 or 5 figure we have drawn over here, and now we are doing the rendering of pen. So I am using Reynolds ink paint. Actually that is the gel pen which I generally use to do the my ink or render sketch. So this is available in India, anywhere in India, all the local market, but there is a special pens are there to render this kind of sketching, so you can use that as well. But I feel comfort with this pen, so I am using this. So you can see now I am doing the more detail about these figures, like the body structure, and more define the angles and the folds and then the body parts. So that kind of detailing I am doing. So once you have proportion and the rough level sketch, so this second level is very easy to draw on top of it. So basically this sketch I shoot in time-lapse format, so it is actual faster than I draw. So it's 4 or 5 times faster than which I draw in the actual location. So you can see these two figures are communicating. They might be friend, or they come from, they are staying in the same location, some hostel or some PG, and they come here for the having morning breakfast. So they might be working in the same organization, something like that. So whenever you do any kind of subject drawing or this kind of people with the some outdoor sketching, you need to show the communications. Communication is one of the key which will be create more interest in your drawing or sketching. So composing figure such a way which having relation in between each other, that is the one of the key which I can suggest while doing this kind of sketches. Another part of actions, whatever they are doing, that action if you reflect in your sketch, so that will be one good enhancement to create feel or mood of that particular location. So you can see this is this small snack stalls which all over India you can see this kind of snacks are available. So this drawing I have created around 3 to 4 months before. So nowadays in Maharashtra or all over India there is a COVID restrictions are there, and most of the shops are not allowed to open up morning 11 or 11:30, something like that. So in strict government lockdowns or the guidelines which are the not allowing this kind of gathering together, so preventing COVID, because of second wave of COVID, they start all the restrictions. And this is the sketch around 3-4 months before. The situation is not like that, so we are very well in the situation where our COVID patients is decreasing and all the things are very normalized that time. But nowadays is not a same situation. You can see some of my sketch, this figure are having the mask as well. So this is the general what we can say, the actual environment reflection you can draw in your sketch as well. So you can see now we just reach to one level of outline, or do the dark outlines through the pen of each and every objects and detail out all this element. So now you can see that compositions is completed. Another important point which I want to discuss, you can see the variation in sizes in figure. So that variation will create perspective in your drawing. So the closest figure which always look bigger, and the figures on distance look smaller. So if you create that kind of composition or variation figures in your drawing, so the perspective will be more enhancing in your sketching. So this is the another important things which I want to explain you. So whenever you compose, just looking into this perspective and all the lines which will be give more enhancement of that particular perspective. And you can see the fuel stalls or this kind of small homes or houses which I have created in the background. So that is also I created little bit size variation. So this is the basic tips for the drawing this kind of location, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.